Okay, so here's another example that is pretty interesting. This is also from your book. So if you read the lecture or the notes in the book, you should already know the answer to this one. It says, what's the sum of the first n integer? So in other terms, we're looking for the summation. So we're looking for the solution to basically something like this. If I stop, let's say n was, I don't know, 3, for example. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? Well, in this case, it's easy. It's going to be 6. Well, what about if n was, I don't know, this is when n was 3. What if n was, let's say, 5? Okay. And so in this case, it's going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It's a little bit more difficult, but it's not impossible. It's basically going to be 15. So now in general, what's the sum of the first n integers? So in other terms, what I'm looking for is basically, what about if I went 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to n? How much is that? That's what we're looking for. So if you haven't read the lecture, please stop the video right now and go ahead and read the lecture, and you'll probably figure out that the answer to this question that we're looking for is the following answer. So it's a little cool trick here. It's just n times n plus 1 all divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we call at this point a hypothesis, or basically like an educated guess, or a fancy way of calling it is a conjecture. So a conjecture is pretty much a statement that we think is going to be true. We have like a hypothesis, but we haven't proven it yet. And that's the answer to part 1 of this question. Okay, so that's the end here.